I think synthetic biology takes a more holistic view of the entire system that you're trying to engineer, whereas genetic engineering, as it was marketed in the 90s and people were thinking about then, was really on a gene by gene basis. And the way it was initially rolled out, especially in the plant community, was just being able to put herbicide resistance genes, for instance, in crop plants, and that basically allowed us to spray as much of the herbicide as we wanted on the fields, and that had obvious downstream effects that were not necessarily good for the crops themselves and certainly not good for anyone's public perception. Synthetic biology, I think, on the other hand, it has a much broader basis there. So there's implications in being able to do things like multi-gene editing in organisms that have medical effects or that can have bases in making new pharmaceuticals, or in what we do is to be able to create products that were initially made in rare plants and then being able to make them in industrial scale and be able to have them be a good drop-in replacement for either a product that is made in a rare plant or is made in chemical synthesis, but because of the way that we make it, it ends up being a natural synthesis.